Hey guys, what's up? I'm actually on my way to the lake today. Got me some good weather. Look at that sunshine. Look at that sunshine. So I am going to the lake and going to be able to record some on-water fishing with you guys. Can't wait to get there. It's a beautiful day. And I'll show you a little bit of boat while we're there. So I have got the Triton in the back being pulled. You know it's a good day when you look in your rearview mirror and you see a boat. It's got to be great. So I got a question for you guys. So it is going to be, it's been really cold here. Super cold, rainy. So I know the water is going to be compromised. It's probably going to be muddy, if not murky at best. Water temperatures, I already know because I've called ahead, are between 40 to 40. It could range anywhere between 39 to 44, depending upon where you're at, obviously. And what do you guys think I should be throwing today? I have an idea what I'm going to throw, and we're going to see if my game plan pans out and I'm able to get some bass on video here. But given that water condition, and the temperature and the temperature of the water, it's a bluebird sky, by the way. So just out of curiosity, what would you recommend? Drop in the comments. I like to read because you guys throw some good stuff down there. I'll give that a shot next time, and I'll give you a shout out on my video. So we'll do that, and we'll see when we get there. I'm gonna go ahead and got about a 20-minute ride. And when we get there, it's go time. Change, like Michael Jackson said, change, make that change. Yep. Time to retie, dude. yeah, it's not gonna work out. And I want to, yeah, because that is all jacked up. No pun intended. Now, what I'm gonna do is take that bobber stop and just move that up there, because I no need to break a good bobber stop, or waste one, I should say. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna put, that might be a little more than what I want. I'll tell you what, I am a big fan of this 1/8 ounce weight, or 3/16. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put me a 3/16 on, and yeah, let's do that. We'll get this bad boy set up the right way, because right now we are not hooked up right. Just a bobber stop on there, 3/16 goes up there, and then as far as the hook goes, probably just gonna go ahead and put, yep, I'm just gonna put this worm hook on there. Nothing fancy, nothing big. I am gonna tie a polymer knot. I love polymer knots. I've never had a problem with a polymer knot as far as breaking or anything. I've never had a failure with one as of yet, knock on wood, but the polymer knot is definitely my go-to knot. You want to wet it down and hook yourself in the finger by accident. Sorry for getting a close up of my chin. And then I'm just going to basically pull that down, and it's time to, you know what, I don't get into that whole, we got to do a 32nd millimeter touch. You know what, right there is fine. Believe me, that fish isn't going to bother that. You're throwing out 500 or two, let's say 50 yards of line. If he doesn't get all messed up over 50 yards of line, I really don't believe that that bass is going to be all upset and worried because you've got a little tag in sticking out. So I'm going to stick with white, even though I don't know if that's going to be the ticket today, but I'm basically going in right to that turn, right to that head. I'm flipping it. I'm going to bring it up and work that worm right up in there, smash him up there a little bit. There's that one. I'm going to bring him in about down here. So try to get him as straight as possible. When I lift him up to skin hook him, boom, perfect. Now, let's go see what we're dealing with. The other hook I was fishing with seriously bent out. So I'll put him there, and we'll go with him later. Now, let's take you off spotlight, buddy, and let's go catch a bass. Now that we actually have the right rig set up, let me get out of the trees that I'm in. Jeez, thing getting caught on everything back there. Uh-oh. Ooh, that was it's a little different of a weight. Might be a little lighter than what I originally had on there, but there we go. Let's go see what we can get going. Let's work that. If you're gonna work it, then you twerk it, then you get bit and work it. I'll have to edit that one out. See that log right there? Oh yeah. Let's get right over that log and drop it. Oh man, come on, baby. That should be a bass. Come on. Maybe they don't want white today. Look at that shad down there floating. Huh. Wonder what I should be fishing today. There's shad everywhere. That little guy right there is having a hard time. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. Remember what old Mike Iaconelli said? Match the hatch. So that's too easy. I'm gonna unmatch a hatch and complain because I haven't gotten a bite. But right there, I might throw on my Googan flipper. I love that Googan bait. I'm just trying to get old swim worm here going. I am right down there in a bunch of brush. Yep, nothing going on there. Nobody's home. Nothing going on there but the bills. Let's see what happens out there on top of that dock. People out enjoying fishing. Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
look out here?
Heck no. Not today. I don't know what's going on. Burned through 4 GoPro batteries and I haven't caught one thing.
Oh, man.
That's crazy.
Hoping to catch some catfish for dinner tonight, but I don't know if it's gonna work.
Well, yeah, I don't know. Nothing's biting. I'm sure somebody's catching something. It's a beautiful day to be out.